I start with NARS Optimal Brightening Concentrate. I then take Luminous Moisture Cream with Radiance Primer and mix these together and blend it all over the face and make sure it's fully absorbed. Then I'm taking Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Deauville, and I like to, after warming it up in my palms, press it into the skin using my palms and my fingertips, making sure it's well blended, especially onto the neck area. I'm taking Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Creme Brulee, and I'm covering any blemishes or discoloration using my fingers. Now, one of my favorite products, Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. I'm using the 42 brush and using circular motions, blending this under the eye. And to finish off complexion, I'm using the Soft Velvet Loose Powder in Flesh, using our Pro brush. And I'm going to mainly set the foundation in the center of the face and underneath the eyes. Now that the complexion's done, I'm going to take the Sunwash Diffusing Bronzer in Laguna, and using the Eda brush, I'm going to softly define the cheekbones, making sure it's symmetrical on both sides, and blending it up onto the cheek. I'm also going to define the top of the forehead, down the sides of the nose, and onto the neck area to create more definition along the jawline. I'm going to take the liquid blush in Hot Tin Roof, and I'm going to blend this with my fingertips from the apples of the cheeks back to the hairline. This creates the appearance of a natural flush cheek. I'm then going to take the Light Sculpting highlighter in Capri, and using the Eda brush, I'm going to blend this to the tops of the cheekbones. This color is really beautiful just for a natural, glowy skin. Using the Velvet Eyeshadow stick in Belle and the number 44 brush, I'm going to start from the underneath part of the eye. This is going to help you create a really winged, uplifted shape. And bring that up to the edge of the eyebrow, and then blend it into the eye crease, socket area, and then fill the rest of the lid in with the color. By starting from the bottom of the eye, it helps you create a more winged, lifted shape on the edge of the eye. Then I'm going to take the shadow stick and I'm going to blend this directly onto the eyelid for a little bit more color. Just blend the edges out using the number 44 brush, just to make sure it's very soft, but most of the color is on the actual lid. I'm then going to do this on the opposite side, making sure that all the edges are well blended. Using the larger-than-life eyeliner in Via de Martelli, I'm going to tightline the top of the eye as well as the bottom waterline, making sure to keep the color in the top and bottom waterlines and not getting any on the actual lid. This is going to help frame the eye shape and make the lashes look a little bit more thick. Then using the Wanted eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use Coconut Grove, dark chocolate shade, and using the number 45 smudging brush, I'm going to blend this softly above the lash line into the lashes to create more of a smoky liner appearance. Then using Audacious Mascara in Black Moon, I'm using a side-to-side motion to thicken up the lashes and make them look thicker. Using the Brow Perfector pencil in Caucause, I'm going to fill in any gaps that needs a little bit more color. Then I'm going to take the brow gel in the color Athens, and I'm going to brush up the brows. This is going to help set the brow pencil, and it's also going to keep the brows in place. I'm using the Bianca lip treatment to condition the lips. Then I'm going to take the Powermatte Lip Pigment in the color Hot Blooded. And using a lip brush, I'm going to fill in the whole lip, making sure to get a little bit more definition through the Cupid's bow. And make sure that this color is well blended on the edges, as we're not using a lip liner for this look. To finish off this lip, I'm going to use the lip gloss in the color Wonder, really beautiful orange tangerine shade. And I'm going to blend this all over the lip, putting most of the attention through the center of the lip to make the lip look a little bit bigger. And that's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave your comments, and I'll see you next time.